on the upper left where it says My Songs, there's an icon to the right of that, and then the icon to the right of that one looks like a brick wall. We're gonna press that one that looks like a brick wall. That's our track list, and now you see the screen changed. Right? Okay, so a lot of you, like I said, I wanted to do 4 measures of it. I went a little bit over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the track, and it turns a bright green. And then on the end of it, there's this little handle that you can grab. See what I'm doing? Mm-hmm. And just make that go right up to the 5. So we're trimming the end of it. Okay, so now when I play my beat, now that I've trimmed it to be a perfect 4 bars, after the 4 bars, it's just going to end. And then it ends. I want it to loop so it plays over and over, so we can add other parts to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double tap on the track, the green, and you see the menu comes up there, and one of those options is loop. So I'm going to hit loop, and now we've got 8 bars in this, and it's just going to keep going over and over.